Welcome to the overview of the Bamazon app. The Bamazon app has two different modes. We have the Bamazon customer mode and the Bamazon manager mode. First, let's take a look at the Bamazon customer mode. We enter that by typing node Bamazon customer.js. And when we do so, the first thing that happens is it reads from the database the item number, the product, and the price. So these are all the items that are available for purchase, and down below it asks which item number would you like to purchase. So let's say we'd like to purchase item 211, some player shin guards version 1, and then asks how many would we like. So let's order 12 of these. And if there's enough in stock, it says the order is processing. It gives us the total amount, so that would be 12 times the price of the item. And then thanks us for our order and says that the transaction is complete. So let's go into the customer mode again. And this time, let's try to purchase too much of an item to see what happens. So we enter 512 for player stick version 2. And how many would you like? Let's say we want to order 100 of these. It says order processing, but then it stops. It says, unfortunately, we only have 3 of player stick 2 in stock, and they're asked to choose a like product or a few of the desired item. Then asked what they would like to purchase. When these transactions go on, if the transaction goes through, the number of items purchased is removed from the stock quantity in the database. We're going to see the database in a separate video here in just a moment. So now let's take a look at the Manager app. Now in the Manager app, it says welcome to the Manager view, and we can select from these following options using the arrow keys. Go up and down. So we can view the products for sale, view the low inventory, add to inventory, add a new product, or quit the Manager view. So first of all, let's look at what happens when we hit the view products for sale. When we do that, we see the exact same table that was displayed for the customer view, except that we have the amount of inventory that's on hand. Now let's say we're only interested in the low inventory items. So we look at view low inventory. Notice that down below the table that the options menu is provided again. So when we do that, we can see the items that are low in inventory. Let's say that, hey, we just got a new order in, we need to add these to the inventory from our supplier. So we can go down to the add inventory on the menu that is again supplied. And let's say we're going to add number 312 to that. So inventory number 312, which is Scully helmet version 2. And let's say we want to add 6 to that. So if we add 6 to that, and we go and check our products for sale, notice it's 312 is at 4 right now. If we view products for sale, 312 is now at 10. Let's say we just got in a new product and we need to add it into the database. So if that's the case, we need to assign a number to it. Let's say we have a new type of player stick in, so we'll give it item number 513. And what is the name of the product? Let's call this player stick 3. What's the retail price? Say this is one of those really expensive sticks, $399. Oops, decimal point, $399. And now we have to assign what department that's responsible for. In this case, it's going to be hockey sticks. We go up and down using the arrow key, hit the space bar to star selection, hit enter, and now it asks how many do we want to add to inventory. Let's say we want to add 100. We add 100. Now if we take a look at the view products for sale, we see item 513, player stick 3 has been added to the database. The price is $399 and the inventory is now 100, the amount that we entered. So let's say that's all we want to do. We hit quit manager view. Thanks us for using the manager view, and we're back to our prompt. We'll take a look at the actual SQL database in a separate video to see how our transactions that we just performed here affect the MySQL database.